Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle. Welcome or welcome back to Simply Krystle. I'm so glad you guys are here today. We're going to be looking at this cute 360 frontal lace wig made by Outre. I want to give a huge shout out to Ft.Divatress for sponsoring today's video and sending out this unit to share with you guys. So we have Kalinda. She's in the color DR2 Chocolate Swirl. You're going to get the 360 frontal lace with this along with that 13x6 lace frontal, so you can achieve a half up, half down, or all the way up ponytail. You really have a lot of versatility with this, okay? This is a premium human hair blend. It is pre-plucked hairline with a natural shape. I didn't go in and do any additional plucking. This did give me coverage from sideburn to sideburn. It does have the pre-attached elastic band with the 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. You get all of the beautiful specialty colors because Outre never misses when it comes to the color blends, y'all. So during this install, the only customization I did do was tint the lace. I used my foundation to tint the lace. Y'all, you can wear this unit glueless if you wanted to. Do y'all see this? This is no spray, nothing going on here. Just a wig cap and tinted lace. Cut the lace off and boom. So if you wanted to, you can definitely achieve a look glueless without any adhesive. Now I do have my daughter in the room with me while I was putting this together, and she is one of my biggest cheerleaders. She was making me laugh and definitely bringing her beautiful spirit into the atmosphere. I love when I have my Kinley in the room with me. So while I am installing this, I did use my Ebin Wonder Lace, the red can bottle, to spray down my hairline. I used a blow dryer to make it kind of tacky, and then went in to just tack this wig down. Now, a few different things with this unit that I did love is it's big head friendly, great lace. You can wear this glueless. It kind of reminds me of Sensational Adana, but y'all, she is luxurious. I love the color on this. I ran into just a little bit of tangling while I was working through those curls that this unit came with, but once I combed that through with my wide tooth comb, she was ripping and running. I did not experience much shedding. Just minimal shedding with this. Now, just a few cons. This is really big hair. It's not a con for me, but can be a con for other people. If you have a smaller head, big hair can kind of swallow you out, so beware with that with your head size. This is a lot of hair, okay? And like I said earlier, just minimal tangling and shedding. It has a yucky texture, which I love that type of texture wig because you're not having to, you know, go in and do a lot of manipulation for it to look like your natural hair. Y'all, this is her. Huge shout out to Ft.Divatress once again. Huge shout out to you guys for tuning in. I hope you loved today's video. Bye, y'all.